and then I'll send that. Is it Is it, how do you pronounce your name? Mylon?
Melon.
Millen. All right, Millen.
Yeah.
Well, I'm looking forward to working with you. The goal would be to have all of these leads or these ads operating well so that we can just every single month, it's another, I just continue to pay you to post more ads and optimize them and whatever it may be. I want to continue to give you work if they're good. We have
Yeah.
money to
I'm
spend, but we need to
interested
make money.
to I'm interested to work with you in long term because when we run campaign, then the process is to test out new creative, create new custom audience, then
Mhm.
again run campaigns. It will be long term, but I will
Yes.
try my best to generate high quality leads. And
Thank you.
if there need any adjustment, like we are targeting and then create some audiences, again target new audiences, create new campaign with new creatives, I will be try my best as always.
When can we expect, so let's say all the ads are posted tomorrow. When would we expect something from you of like a report or, hey, I want to try something new? What does the ongoing management and process look like for you?
uh, uh, I will launch new campaign today, but the campaign will be active. They need some times.
Yes.
After that, when finally it will be active, then we need up to 4 to 5 days, analyze the impression, click-through rate, and what is our CPL, cost per leads, like
Uh-huh.
submit instant from. Then we can optimize. Must be when I set up the campaign, I will optimize all the things we need to the campaigns. Yeah, that's the process.
So
No worries.
in about 6 days, we'll reevaluate.
Yeah, no
And
worries.
question for you, my Fiverr order, um, the action plan, campaign audit, target audience, ad content creation, 6 ads, campaign setup, ads analytical report. What I had already paid you, that covers the next 6 days. And then if we want to keep working with you after the 6 days, then that would obviously cost more money. I don't know what does that look like?
Uh, for our first project, I will set up 6 campaigns
Uh-huh,
with high value customers
uh-huh.
or all the optimizations. And after that, when is finished after 5 to 6 days, then if you are interested, then we can go ahead with monthly. Because Fiverr, there is options. I will send you customer first for 30 days. Then it will be go with 30 days.
Gotcha. So in 5 to 6 days, you'll send me something that's like, hey, if you want to keep working with me, here's what it costs, here's what's included, so on and so forth. Okay,
Yeah.
understood. Okay. All right. Well, thank you, Millen. We'll get this over to you right now. I'm looking forward to seeing the ads in the morning and over the course of the next 6 days. And we will, if you need anything, let us know. But if not, we'll be talking to you in like 5 or 6 days or so.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
Thank you
luck.
so much for
Go get
your
them.
valuable time.
Go get them. Go post some great ads. You didn't get that one.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye for now.